just wanted to jump on here real quick, and I have a helper today, Mr. Mason.
Hi.
Hi, dirty face boy. And I just wanted to hop on because my pharmacy kit came in, and I wanted to unbox that for you.
Yeah, she's
Are
here.
you excited? Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Hi,
Okay. Do you want to help me?
Help me.
Yeah, help me. Okay. So, for those of you who don't know what Farmasi is, I just discovered it myself. It is they have makeup, they have skincare, they have like household products and stuff like that. Farmasi is not a brand new company. It has been around for about 60, 70 years in Europe, but it's fairly new to the USA. So they are an established company, but just, like I said, brand new to the USA, which is exciting. So I think I was just on YouTube and looking up some beauty products and different things, and this just popped up. And something about Farmasi. I'm like, well, I've never heard of that before. So checked it out, and what caught my attention was the sign-up fee is $19. And I was like, okay, so that caught my attention. But what held my attention was that when you sign up, you get 50% off, and you get 50% commission. Now, I've done a few direct sales before in my life, but I've never pursued it. I mainly would sign up just to get a discount, and that's kind of what my intentions were when I signed up for Farmasi, was just to get the discount, because I've never seen that big of a discount before in a direct sales. Usually you start off at 20 or you start off at 25, and then you have to sell so much product to get 50, or to even, sometimes you don't even get that close. And so when I saw that you just start off at 50%, I freaked out and was like, yes, please. So just letting you know, my exciting kit came in, and this is a true unboxing. All I did was just open the package with a knife. So what comes in your kit, your $19 kit, is this cute little box. And like I said, I haven't opened it. This is the first time. From what I've seen at other videos, it's like samples, it's catalogs, different things. Yeah, you helping me? And it comes in this cute little magnetized box. It's so exciting. Oh, I love pretty things. And now I'll be able to afford them because I get 50% off. So first off, I'm seeing we get a lot of these cute little lipstick samples, which I'm excited about. I've been really, really excited about trying some lipsticks. Because if you know me, I am a matte lipstick girl, and I love them, but they're expensive. And so I think the retail price for these lipsticks and like the matte lip glosses are like $11.90. But if you sign up, which I did, I get them for $5.95. So that's exciting. So what I'm seeing here is some Stay Matte foundation. There's a couple samples here. There's some Double Effects massage gel, which I guess has like some pepper in it, which is exciting. Can you show them that? And there's some oils in there, some sample oils. Then it just comes with like the opportunity pack and a skincare regime in some cute little bags. Thank you, Bubba. Thank you so much. So I'm so excited to try all of those things. What you can do, and you don't have to do, is once you sign up, it's $19, and it's like I said, as soon as you sign up, you get the 50% off. What I did, and it's completely optional, is they have a few different kits that you can add on, and the one I did was just the lowest price because I've never tried these products, so I just kind of wanted to get my feet wet with just a few things. And so they sent me another little kit that I added on top. You're gonna help me?
Help me.
Yeah, help me. Thank you. Here, can you open that? Oh, good job, Bubba. And what I saw is it's kind of all the same from the other people that I've seen online. Okay, can you show them? This one is an eyebrow and an eyelash serum. And let me see, Bubba. What I thought was really neat about this and the design of this is, let me see if I can open it, is that it is like a little mascara wand, but then at the very tip, if you can see, it's like an eyeliner, so that you can get in there really good to put it on your lash line. And then I'm guessing the spoolie is to kind of brush through your eyebrows, which I thought was pretty neat. So that's exciting. Can you hold that?
Yeah.
This also comes with an eye cream, which I need. I have a 1-year-old and a 3-year-old, so that means not a lot of sleep for me. So anything I can get to help definitely is a plus. This also came with a face cream. I'm huge on skincare. Like, I think a lot of women run into problems with their makeup. They say, oh, I don't know how to apply it. I don't know, or maybe this doesn't work for my skin type. A lot of it comes down to skincare. It's how you take care of your skin first for the makeup to be able to lay on it properly. So I'm super pumped about this. I also got, it looks like a eyebrow liner and a lip liner. Again, because I signed up and I get 50% off, I think these range like $6, but since I get my 50% off, that's only $3 for me. So $3 for a lip liner, you can't beat that. You can't even beat that at the drugstore. They're like $6 over there. Even more expensive now, I think. Eyebrow, I got a matte lippy, which I'm so excited about. These are the long lasting. They're like a lip gloss. They're in a lip gloss container, but once they go on, they do dry to a matte finish, which I love. And I love, and I love, and I love matte lip gloss. I'm so excited. I'm probably going to buy every single one. Here you go, Bubba. You want to hold that? This also comes with an extreme curl mascara. Again, I get 50% off. So can't be mad about that. An eyeliner, which I am super pumped to use because I ran out. As you can see, I don't have any eyeliner today because I don't have any more. Some cream eyeshadow in Orange Pop. I love cream eyeshadows because if you are in a pinch, which as a mother you probably are, you're usually the last one to get ready. You're the last one out the door because you get your kids ready first. You make sure everybody has their stuff. A gel or a cream eyeshadow is the easiest thing you can do to just swipe your finger in, put it on each eyelid, and it makes you feel a little bit special, a little bit more done up than you normally would have. And sometimes that's all you have time for, is just the little whoop. This is a blush. Ooh, I didn't know I was getting a blush. Ooh, Mason. Oh, can you show him?
Oh, so cool.
It's so cool. Mason loves it too. Do you want me to open it? Open. Okay. Oh, see? I don't, well, you probably can't see. It looks white to you, but it is like a very common color of blush. Here you go. You hold that. And then the last is this tea tree oil serum, which it says it's a multi-purpose serum. So I'm pretty pumped about that. Awesome. That was fun. That was fun. Well, if you guys have any questions or you want a magazine or a catalog, just hit me in the comments or in Messenger and I will definitely get with you. Thanks for watching.